victims' families here. They've been waiting here for the last 36, 40 hours. It's been more than 48 hours now since this building collapsed, and you can see the look on their faces. They are totally devastated. They have been just waiting to catch a glimpse of their loved ones, but so far it's only despondency for them. It paints a really grim picture out here. They have been here camped to the red side. You can see the camp here. This is where mostly the families of the victims who are trapped inside have been residing, and they have been here. All you can see behind me, there are cranes going at it, trying to rescue people. And just a few moments ago, the authorities had put up a screen right in front of us. It was difficult to see what was going on behind that screen, but they have now removed it. So what's happening right now is that the operations are still ongoing, and the authorities are yet to locate anyone alive. And what we have reported here and what we have felt here, that there is a stench in the air every now and then, which could point to the fact that there may be dead bodies, lot of dead bodies trapped under that rubble, huge pile of rubble, and that will have to be confirmed by the authorities. But every now and then we've been smelling that very sharp stench in the air.